Again.
I want to go to the top.
I know. This one only goes up to 45. It's going faster.
What do you think people think?
Speed only going up and down. What if we switched elevators and get on the other one? And then it's fine.
Maybe next time we get a portable.
Yeah.
Oh, we have to put it
Now we're in the elevator. So.
Boys.
Yeah. Look, they just got off. That was really strange. They just like got off. I hope we don't find us suspicious.
What is it like?
Don't talk like that. Elevators are fun. Look.
What are they saying? What are they saying?
I don't know. We're just videotaping.
I think they're telling us to get off.
Are they? We're on the elevator and there they go. That was so fun.
We're going up. We're not even in it. Like, we're not even in it.
I know. Here's the gym.
Italian all day. No, ja neko će nekad ne urećenje bupa, to ne.
The video still on.
Let's get off and go into another one.
Yeah.
What floor is this? 28? Look it up when it goes to the top. It's still going up. Look at gym.
Neke bupa.
You can like see it in the reflection. This is 40. Should we get out here? I'll just go up, yeah.
Åh, hinder ner bolis tillsammans. Hinder ner då, snickar du in där.
Let's get out here. Okay. What do you think? I guess? No, we don't know where we're going. Well, you go up? Can you go up to 50?
Is it broken?
Wait, what did you click?
fine.
You clicked 5? I guess I'll just add to. Oh, we won't. Let's get on one on the other side. Oh, wait. Maybe there isn't an other side.
Look at jail.
A jail. Look at the artwork. Yeah, we don't really know where we're going, so we're just kind of like going.
There's a Broadway pub.
Oh yeah, where's that at? 6? We'll stop by it then.
What?
I'm so bored.
Wait, what is left? There's like 20 elevators.
I know there's a million. These are the inside ones. They're boring. These inside ones, you don't see them outside. Where's the elevator at? I don't know what time is it. I can't wait till I actually stay in a hotel. We should. Laura's lost.
It's 5:44.
Oh, we should probably head back to 8 then.
Yeah.
Oh, look at a sock. I don't know. Uh-oh, there's something going down in here. Uh-oh, we've come to a halt. We're on 41 now. Let's go down to 8. Let's go like high up. This is really cool to watch.
I could do this all day.
I know. Literally, me too. This is
like
what I'll be doing in
relaxing.
Florida, I know.
Oh, there's nets in case someone falls.
Oh my gosh, that's scary. I was like, there's this gingerbread house again. See what my parents find. The surprise adventure of filming. That was an adventure. Very good. Let's get the gingerbread house. Long video. These are the gingerbread houses. What?
I wish I lived in a gingerbread house.
Me too.
I'm so dumb.
I wish I did.
I wish I had a voice.
Maybe. That was the elevator we were just on.
Was that entertaining?
There's the elevator we were just on, and that's the end of our video.